What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So remember I told you that I'm getting a package? Well, I've got the package. It's now a few days later though from when I announced it, but got a little package from Takealot. So got some engine cleaner here. Gotta definitely clean up that engine, so that's definitely what's happening today. Got some mag cleaner too because of all the brake dust on my wheels, and got myself some microfiber glass. It's a 10 pack, actually quite cheap on Takealot, and definitely gonna be come in handy when I'm busy cleaning up the car. So I'm gonna give you all some before and after shots of the engine and see how well this Shield degreaser engine cleaner works. Alright, so right now I've done cleaning the engine. My wife Ferry helped me clean the rest of the bakkie. I didn't really do any footage on washing the bakkie because we have washed the bakkie, you know. I have covered that before. Maybe at a later stage I'll do again another video of me washing the bakkie. I'm sure it doesn't interest you guys that much, but I must say engine turned out good. I did not do a perfect job, you know. This is my first time cleaning an engine properly, so I covered up my distributor, covered up the coil. I then sprayed some of the degreaser on there, let it just sit for a few minutes, and then took a brush with some water, threw some of the degreaser in the water as well, took the paintbrush and then just, you know, scrubbed it a bit. So a few pieces really need a scrub, and there's still a few more that need scrubs. So I'm definitely not done with this engine, but yeah, I'll give you guys an after shot, and you can see for yourself. Now I want you guys to comment down below if there's anything you do see that I perhaps didn't cover, you know, like that I didn't clean properly enough. But like I said, I'm going to be cleaning this engine bay again because there's a lot of nooks and crannies that I didn't even get. But yeah, I'm at least happy with the minimum work I did and how it turned out for that little work. but let's get on with the shots. Alright guys, but that's where we're gonna end it for today. I know you're probably wondering where I am. I'm at my mom's house. Decided to come do the cleaning here. Let the kids spend some time with their grandmother. But yeah, I'm happy how it turned out. And comment down below if you guys like to see more content like this. Comment down below what you guys want me to do next. But yeah, please go and like, subscribe. Peace out. Check out in the next video.